The science of longevity, how to live longer. Or what if I told you the secret to living longer isn't locked in a lab, but hidden in your daily habits? From Japanese centenarians sipping green tea, to Greek villagers laughing over lunch, scientists have discovered something incredible. Aging is not just fate, it's a science you can master. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover how you can reprogram your body to live longer, healthier, and happier, starting today. For centuries, humans have searched for the elixir of life. From Egyptian pharaohs who built tombs to live forever, to modern billionaires investing in anti-aging technology, the dream never died. But now, science is finally catching up. Researchers have found that only 20% of how long you live is determined by genetics. The other 80% depends on your lifestyle, what you eat, how you move, how you think, and even how you connect with others. That means your choices today literally rewrite your biological clock. In certain corners of the world, people live unusually long, healthy lives. They're called the blue zones, and they hold some of the world's most powerful secrets of longevity. In Okinawa, Japan, elders garden daily and eat colorful veggies rich in antioxidants. In Ikaria, Greece, they walk up steep hills, nap every afternoon, cook with olive oil, and share meals with laughter. And in Loma Linda, California, a community of Seventh-day Adventists live up to 10 years longer than average, thanks to plant-based diets and strong spiritual support. The message? Living longer isn't about one magic pill, it's about a way of life. But what's actually happening inside your body? Every second, your cells divide, repair, and protect you, but over time, that machinery slows down. Scientists call this cellular aging. At the heart of it are telomeres, tiny caps at the ends of your DNA strands. Each time a cell divides, telomeres shorten, and eventually, the cell can no longer renew itself. Stress, junk food, smoking, and lack of sleep, they all speed up this process. But here's the miracle, you can reverse it. Studies show that regular exercise, mindfulness, and whole food diets can actually lengthen telomeres, making your cells biologically younger. So, how do you live longer, the science-backed way? Let's break down the longevity formula. 1. Move naturally, you don't need to run marathons. Walk, stretch, or dance daily. 2. Eat mostly plants, focus on colorful fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts. 3. To find purpose, having a reason to get up every morning adds years to your life. 4. Reduce stress, breathe deeply, pray, meditate, or just slow down. 5. Stay connected, loneliness is as deadly as smoking. Love your people. Your mind is the command center of longevity. Studies show that optimism, gratitude, and laughter trigger hormones that heal the body, while chronic negativity actually weakens your immune system. People who feel hopeful and connected to life literally live longer. So, maybe it's not just about counting years, but making every year count. Meanwhile, scientists are developing longevity drugs, stem cell therapies, and even gene editing tools that could slow aging itself. But until then, the real secret remains simple: eat real food, sleep well, keep moving, love deeply, and never stop learning. Longevity is not a race against time, it's a dance with it. The science of longevity isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. Your future self is built by the habits you choose today. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Study Vibe Network, and join us as we explore more life-changing science every week. Remember, your best years can still be ahead.